What if just one of these Amazon gadgets could completely transform your daily routine, save you valuable time, or make your workspace feel years ahead of everyone else's? Trust us, you'll want to stick around until the very end, because the final gadget is surprisingly useful. Let's be honest, messy cables are everywhere. They take over desks, backpacks, drawers, even your nightstand. Thankfully, these reusable silicone magnetic cable ties make organizing almost effortless. Their flexible silicone body wraps securely around charging cables, headphones, extension cords, and dozens of everyday items. Built-in magnets allow them to snap onto refrigerators, filing cabinets, toolboxes, or any metal surface, keeping your essentials exactly where you need them. But that's not all. They also work as bag clips, bookmarks, refrigerator magnets, and quick organizers around the house. Unlike disposable zip ties, they're built to last through thousands of uses without losing flexibility. Ever sit down to work, then suddenly realize an hour disappeared? This clever Pomodoro timer cube helps eliminate distractions and keeps your productivity on track. Simply flip or select one of the preset countdowns, 5, 10, 25, or 50 minutes, and instantly begin focusing. The silent operation makes it perfect for offices, classrooms, libraries, and study sessions where every distraction matters. The visual countdown lets you monitor your remaining time without constantly checking your phone. Here's a tool you'll be thankful you own sooner or later. The JOREST 32-in-1 precision screwdriver set includes an impressive collection of magnetic bits for repairing smartphones, laptops, gaming consoles, cameras, eyeglasses, watches, and countless electronic devices. Its magnetic driver securely holds tiny screws, reducing frustration while preventing small parts from disappearing during repairs. The comfortable ergonomic handle provides excellent control, while the organized carrying case keeps every bit neatly stored. Whether you're replacing batteries, upgrading electronics, or fixing everyday gadgets, this toolkit is always ready when something breaks. Want your desk to look cleaner and instantly feel more professional? The HUANUO FlowLift dual monitor stand completely transforms your workspace by lifting both monitors off your desk while providing full height adjustment, tilt, swivel, and 360-degree rotation. Not only does it free up valuable desk space, but it also improves posture by helping reduce neck and shoulder strain during long workdays. Whether you're editing videos, gaming, coding, designing, or working from home, everything feels more comfortable and organized. Sometimes productivity isn't about working harder, it's about creating a better workspace. Identity theft happens more often than most people realize. Fortunately, protecting your personal information can be incredibly simple. Instead of shredding every document, just roll this identity protection stamp across names, addresses, account numbers, or sensitive information. The specially designed ink pattern completely obscures printed text, making it difficult to read or scan. The included refill cartridges provide thousands of additional uses, making it both affordable and practical. Fast, simple, and surprisingly satisfying every single time. Lifting heavy glass or granite usually requires 2, maybe even 3 people. Not anymore. The SEESII electric suction cup automatically creates powerful vacuum pressure with the push of a button, allowing it to safely lift materials weighing up to 600 pounds. Whether you're installing windows, moving granite countertops, or positioning large tiles, this professional-grade tool makes difficult lifting safer, faster, and dramatically easier. At first glance, it looks like an ordinary utility knife, but don't let appearances fool you. The NeoBlade wireless ultrasonic cutter vibrates an incredible 40,000 times every second, slicing effortlessly through foam, leather, resin, rubber, plastic, and delicate crafting materials with unbelievable precision. Intelligent power adjustment automatically adapts to different materials, while turbo cooling keeps performance consistent during long projects. It's innovation you can actually feel. Modern laptops keep getting thinner. Unfortunately, so do the number of ports. That's where the TobenONE 10-in-1 USB-C hub comes in. With 4K HDMI, 100-watt power delivery, Ethernet, multiple USB ports, SD and micro SD card readers, audio output plus 4 programmable shortcut buttons, and a precision volume knob, it instantly transforms your laptop into a complete desktop workstation. One cable, 10 powerful upgrades. Whether you're editing videos, streaming content, working remotely, or gaming, this compact hub helps eliminate clutter while maximizing productivity. Sometimes, the coolest gadgets don't solve problems. They're simply impossible to put down. Inspired by the structure of an atomic model, this premium metal fidget spinner delivers incredibly smooth rotation thanks to high-quality precision bearings. Its satisfying spin helps relieve stress, improve focus, or simply keep your hands busy during meetings, work sessions, or study time. The premium metal construction feels far more substantial than ordinary plastic spinners. Imagine carrying professional measuring equipment inside your pocket. The HOTO EDC laser measuring tool accurately measures distances up to 98 feet with precision of plus or minus 2 millimeters. The bright OLED display remains easy to read in almost any environment, while USB-C charging eliminates the need for disposable batteries. Real-time Bluetooth synchronization instantly transfers measurements into the companion app, making planning, renovations, furniture placement, and DIY projects much easier. We've all experienced it, searching for keys, checking every pocket, looking under couch cushions, only to realize they've been missing for hours. The MiLi Bluetooth tracker helps make those frustrating moments a thing of the past. Compatible with Google's Find Hub network, it lets you quickly locate keys, backpacks, luggage, wallets, and other important belongings directly from your Android device. Compact, lightweight, and designed for long battery life, we're ending today's countdown with a gadget that's small but surprisingly powerful. The ELUTENG dual USB cooling fan keeps routers, gaming consoles, mini PCs, TV boxes, and networking equipment running cooler with adjustable 3-speed airflow. Lower temperatures can improve performance, reduce overheating, and even extend the lifespan of your electronics. USB-powered installation makes setup incredibly simple, while its quiet operation allows it to run continuously without becoming a distraction. It may not be the flashiest gadget on today's list, but it could easily become one of the most useful. So which one impressed you the most? Was it the futuristic ultrasonic cutter, the powerful electric suction cup, or maybe the incredibly smart laser measuring tool? Let us know your favorite down in the comments. We read every single one. And if you enjoy discovering the newest Amazon gadgets before everyone else, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next countdown. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.